Hey viewers, what have we found here? Have a look. A tyre python. A friggin' tyre python. You never see these guys.
Be careful.
You don't know which one's the head. Right there. Look at it. Lucky I got him off the road.
What we're doing is going bush. We're going bush to the scrubby trees over here because we're not going to make Quondong tonight, and don't really want to be on the main drag. Just want to get far enough off the road nobody picks us up on the spotties or whatever. You're not supposed to be camping on the side of the road, South Australia. Stingy bastard. Well, these boots are good. Oh, we've got tyres too, so safe away. Here she comes. You can't really see our tracks, which is good. Well, this is nice. Yeah. Get towards the back of them, I suppose, and break up the outline, and they won't see nothing. They'll never find us. Look at that. Just be careful with your legs, eh? They're sucked underneath the panties. Yeah. I think it's a dingo lair over there. Yeah, I'm looking from this side, it still looks pretty open, but yeah, maybe just tuck in here. I suppose, just tuck in here. Tent in there. Yeah, cover the bikes up. Pretty well hidden here. I think we're pretty well hidden from the road. From the casual observer anyway. No one's whizzing past here in the evening. Looking 300 metres into the bush.
Can't even see where the road is.
No, that's right. Cool, cool.
What delectable delights have we got tonight, Christy?
Well, tonight we will be eating palak paneer
Ooh.
with rice and chili shiitake mushrooms.
Wow. Any meat?
No.
No meat. Num num num. Vegetarian again. So we will be having salt bush lamb sausages tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right, very good. You and for dessert,
For dessert,
choc chip cookies.
triple choc
Cookies. So yeah, tell you what, it's never dull on the road. Beautiful. Look at that. Anybody with kids? What does this look like? Yeah.
Yummy.
Christy poured it out of that packet. I should have been filming. It was gross. Tastes better than it looks, kiddos. Oh. Here we are. Here we are, gang. We're just sitting here having a couple of little drinks. Sun's going down. It's beautiful, really nice, but the temperature is dropping very rapidly. And we're just talking about little bikes and how we travel with them, isn't it? It's just sort of, and why we've just come across the Eyre Peninsula. Try and keep this short, but come across the Eyre Peninsula, and we just lost all steam. We lost.
Yeah,
we're all excited and pumped up, and
yeah, we'd done the Nullarbor. We were all keen for that because there was lots of little tracks happening along the way, and it didn't matter the distance. We knew, you know, that was.
There's a goal.
That was the goal.
Yeah. There's a finish line and an achievement. Yeah.
And then when we got to the end of that, I think we lost the wind out of our sails a little bit, and we had a few days that were just
aimless, really.
Yeah, a bit ordinary. We were thinking, well, we've got to travel 300 k's. That's going to take us 3 days. what are we?
On bitumen, like just.
What are we going to do? We hadn't really planned for that part of the trip, I don't think. And, but as it turned out, it was good. We just had to get used to the fact that we're only going 150 k's or something for the day, and we find a place to stop, and it worked out well. We stopped at Streaky Bay, and that was really good. We stopped at Lock.
Lock was good.
Lock was good, and then we made it to Cow. So
yeah. Streaky Bay was a real lucky thing, wasn't it? We weren't heading to Streaky Bay.
No, we'd just had enough for that day, so
well,
that was the closest
that's
place.
Right. We were aimed for further, but just had a gutsful.
Yeah.
Had a gutsful of bitumen of just droning on the highway, and went, we'll go to Streaky Bay, and as it turns out, it's freaking amazing.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place.
So
lovely dawn service there. It was nice.
So I think travelling with little bikes who can only travel at a slower speed and cover smaller distances, you really need to have shorter goals, don't you?
Smaller goals, and be at peace with the fact that you're only going to do 150 k's
200,
for the day.
even 300 would be a massive day on the bitumen.
Yeah.
You know, that's 6, 7, 8 hours. Like, that's massive.
But that gives you time to stop and take photos and, I don't know, look at things, and you're not rush. We had a rushed day today, and it was just not.
It sucked.
Yeah.
Sucked.
Yeah, it did.
We had to get from Kadina. Oh, that sounds it.
Yeah.
We had to get to Kadina to Burra by 11 o'clock to pick up tyres. And the countryside we went past through Clare, not Clare, what is it? Clare Valley?
Yeah, Clare Valley.
Through Clare Valley, the old stone houses, and the sun was beautiful. You just couldn't stop. We cancelled a cup of coffee because they were taking too long because we didn't have time to wait.
Yeah.
And that sort of pissed me off, isn't it? It really.
And that's not what this trip's about.
That's not what any little trip with any little bike is about.
No.
You know, big GS 1200 or a car, you just boot it for half an hour and you're back. You've caught up.
And you're right.
Yeah.
We just.
Yeah.
You can't be rushed for time. You can't be pushed.
But when you do slow down in our little bush camp, you see the most amazing things. So you have to allow the time. You have to allow the time.
Like the tyre python.
Like the tyre python. Stay tuned for the tyre python. Pretty crazy little critter. Alright, well, it's just one little thing. Small bikes are awesome. I can't imagine doing it with anything else. But you have to allow the time. Yeah. Don't be in a rush. Enjoy it. Enjoy the slowness. Yeah. Because people stop. People talk. They do. It's a constant thing.
Well, even in Clare, you had those
guys. About 5
I
guys.
looked outside the shop, and you were down there huddled around with people around you.
Yeah.
It was like, wow.
They're lining up to talk to you, because it's such a little bike and you're doing such a crazy thing.
Ooh,
but
man, it's getting cold.
Anyway, it's getting cold. Got a lot of coffee. Just wanted to talk about talk about.
You can't rush.
You can't rush in, but you have to have little achievable goals. You know, driving for 4 days just to get somewhere burns you out.
Yeah.
You don't like it.
No.
Anyway, cheers. We'll show you the sunset. And this is the stuff you don't see from a motel room. Is it? Clouds look a bit grey. In a little tent. Love and life. Little bike style.
Yep.
Here we are. Just packed up camp. Probably the longest pack up ever, I think. 2 hours from dawn to on the road.
We had a coffee this morning.
Yeah, we had a coffee. Half the struggle is where to put everything. We just took on a whole heap of food yesterday and tired and all the rest of the shit. So got 4 litres of oil. So, you know, there's lessons learnt there as far as next time. Don't carry so much shit. Buy more along the way. Anyway, weather's nice. Weather's beautiful. Road's good. Off to Quondong station. We should get there what, lunchtime something. Yeah. Alright, cool. Well, viewers, seems the inevitable has happened. But something has fallen off my bike. I'm trying to look, I can't see a thing. Shit. Raincoat? No? Dunno. Let's go find out. Well, Christy's coming. We'll wait. And here she comes. The saviour of whatever I've dropped. Righto, my love. Oh, fucking pull up. It's my sunnies. The little bastards jumped ship. Thank you, my sweetheart. They were in my pocket. Yeah. What attached to them? Probably not as windy enough to jump out of there. They have done. Cool. Onwards. Thank you, Christy, for saving my sunny. Good job. Let's try. I don't know what the score is now, but I think I'm doing okay. Haha. Here we are at Quondong Station. 160?
164 from Burra.
164 from Burra, middle of nowhere, but
Directly east.
directly east from Burra. So a bit of a slog to get here, but it was good. We got here, and we're staying at. We've been kindly allowed to stay in the shearers' quarters. I was a little rousty for a little while. Brings back memories. So we'll show you the shearers' quarters. Christy, show us the shearers' quarters. Yeah. Here we are.
Right this way.
Right this way.
So we've got showers and toilet block.
Mhm.
Well, actually, that's just the showers, isn't it? Yeah, toilet block.
Toilets are down there.
Down there.
These are the showers. How cool. Reminds me of the army, only we didn't have curtains and didn't have walls.
This is our room.
Our suite. Single bed. How good's this? Holy shit.
This is our dining room.
This is our dining room.
And fully equipped kitchen. Look at the gas stove.
What? Rita, eat your heart out. Look at this. How many feeds have been cooked up in this place?
Oh. And we have
Oop.
saltbush chops and lamb chops and sausages for dinner.
Yeah, saltbush lamb sausages. I remember sitting at one of these tables when I was a wee lad, I was 17, and all these big tough shearers and Bloody yakking and give me a clip under the ear if I was cheeky. This is how we get our hot water, kiddies. We've got a lot of fire in this thing. A lot in there, the water goes in the outside shell. It's called a donkey. The only way you can get water out is to put water in. Stops all the donkeys using all the hot water. That's very cool. Con generator, we'll turn that off in a minute. And that's about it. Oh yeah, it's a merino station. As in merino sheep. Here's our little stallions. Check out all these bales of wool. Yep, where are we, Christy?
We're at Quondong shearers' quarters. Single bed shearers' quarters.
Single bed shearers' quarters. Christy's over there. And I'm over here. But very comfy. Oh, can't see me. Right, team. Onwards and upwards to bush camp tomorrow. Trying to find my good view.
Your good side.
My good side without the wrinkles. There isn't one. Bush camp tomorrow, and Menindee next day. All right. Good night. Okay, viewers. Here we are at Quondong Station. Yeah, we just spent an awesome night in the shearers' quarters, and we shared the place with Graham. How you going, Graham?
Good, yeah.
So you were here when?
Oh, 1970.
1970 as a young, how old? Young whippersnapper?
17.
17?
Yep.
Yeah, rustling the sheep.
Just come to reminisce.
Yeah.
Have a look around. And he's he cleaned the barbecue for us and cooked the sausages.
Cooked tea, yeah.
Yeah, he's champion. So thanks for sharing the night with us.
My pleasure.
Thanks, mate. Here we go. We'll sign off.
Yeah.
From Quondong Station, we sign off.
Nice to meet you all.
Yeah.